Hey everyone, I have got some yarn in through Hobbii. Never ordered that through them before, and I just wanted to do an opening and do a little tryout thing with some of the yarns that I got. And I got some Happy Mail, and I'm going to be opening that, so I'm going to try out the yarn that I got. You guys can see it. It's through Hobbii. Okay? And I'm going to open it and see what you guys think. I have never ordered from them, but this month we got a little extra money in for something, so I was able to buy some yarn, which I was pretty excited about. Okay. So, look at these pretty yarns. Look at all these pretty yarns. Okay, so the first one is Daylight, acrylic, Partey, Bumbo Delight. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I'm not sure what the colorway, but it is a 100% acrylic. And these colors are fabulous. And there's two of them. Okay? And then I got these were on sale, and I think they were like $1 something, I'm not sure. But they are, they don't have the colors, they just say lot number 618, Hobbii. There's this one. Okay. There is this one. Okay. And here's this one. So that's 3. I believe I got every color they had. Okay. There's that one. I wish they'd have the name of the colors on. They just say lot number, print number 5. And it's Tivoli. T-I-V-O-L-I. Okay, that one. Oops. And that one. This one's coming undone a little bit. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that is pretty. Look at the colors on that. Can you all see that? Look at that. And that one. Some of these might have 2 at a piece. I can't remember, but I think I ordered everything they had. Something like that. They were marked down. And I got 2 of these. Look at all that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh yes, see, there's that other one I was showing you guys. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that's pretty. And that you know, these were like grams and then 175 meters. And they do take a 4.5 millimeter hook, or what do you call it? A knitting needle is a 4 millimeter. These are really pretty colors. Look at that. You know, I can probably, I don't know, figure it out. I thought they were a little bit bigger, but this is okay. I like this. I like that they don't have, and these are all super, super soft, and they can't beat the price on them. Considering they're from Hobbii, you know, they're really nice yarns. There's the other one. Ooh, buttons, right? Ooh, gift tags. Ooh, I could really use those. Gift tags. Piece of candy. I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna open it right now, guys. What? Cherry. You can't beat that. I'm going to see if I can find my crochet hook real quick. In my little, this is just one of them. I have many bags of hooks. Let's see here. I'll just use a little D hook. Let's try this out. Can you all see this? Okay, there's a chain. There's one. Let's see. This goes very, very smoothly. I'm using a tiny hook too. See how well that works up? And then it comes right out. You can like frog it right out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So, that is beautiful. I have some ideas, I think. Not, I can be figuring them out. And then it's pretty cool that I got these round gift tags, 30 piece. Dolly face knits. Camille. God bless you, Camille. You're so sweet. By the way, I'm going to open up the card. I'm going to cover up her name, address. Total fangirling right now for her channel. She is super awesome. I will put her channel down below in the description box. Go check her out. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh, ooh. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. He's my one true happiness right there. Thank you, Camille. Look at this card. Isn't that beautiful? And I seriously need this sucker right here. Right there. That's what I need. But thank you. Thank you so much. I love this card. And it says on the back, 2 doves upon the hickory branch, 2 lilies on a single stem, 2 butterflies upon a flower. Oh, happy they look on them. Look at that. Isn't that a pretty card? And some tea I get to try. You don't have no idea how much I need this right now. Oh, thank you, hon. Thank you, Camille. Appreciate it. You have no idea what this means to me. I'm going to put her channel down in my description box below. Go check her out. She's pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure a lot of you know who she is, but it's Dolly Face Knits. It's her channel. And like I said, I'll put that down below. I'm going to put that card in a special place because I keep my cards in a very, very special place. I wanted to give you all a reminder on my giveaway that's going on with Knit Crate. And I'm going to be ending that the 14th and drawing the 15th. And I will be doing another giveaway after that. I don't know if it's going to be for homemade stitch markers or another Knit Crate or Darn Good Yarns. I don't know. I'm expecting those in the mail, and I'll do an opening on that as well. And I'm drinking my favorite drink. Well, it's one of my favorites, but my coffee stand makes strawberry lemonades. Madonna, is this familiar to you? I have my drink on this coaster that you sent me. Isn't that cute? So, uploading this video, and I'm going to try and just do some crochet chit chat hopefully at some point today if I can, because I'm trying to get more videos out and everything. I'm trying to get myself a little more well known. And so yeah, but anyways, thank you so much, and I will, like I said, I'm giving her a shout out, so could you please go check out her channel, like, subscribe, share her channel.